Summertime. Want to live your best vacay life with a cloth diaper baby? Keep watching for my best vacationing tips. Hey, I'm Jamie, the creator of ClothCuties.com, a site designed to encourage you to cloth diaper your baby. From an infant through the toddler years, girl, I got the tips and tricks you need to simplify your cloth diapering experience. Welcome back to the channel, y'all. You know what? Summer is finally upon us, and with more people getting the COVID vaccines, you may be feeling a little froggy and ready to jump into a little summer jaunt. In today's video, I'm giving you my best tips for traveling with a cloth diapered baby. Our diapers have gotten quite a few stateside miles on them, from Arkansas to Tennessee to Louisiana. We've packed up our kids and our diapers a time or two for a little family fun. As you know, I have quite a large stash, and with each trip, it's gotten easier and easier to plan and travel with kids. Here are a few ideas to help you along as you travel with your cloth diapered baby. My first tip is items that you should never forget. Let's talk about the things you need on the go. Just like a regular errand out, you need plenty of diapers on hand and your wet bags. These are our main go-to, never forget items that we have to have on vacation. You also might need to consider how you're going to handle poo while you're out and about. Depending on where you're going and your comfortability, y'all, I have used a hotel shower head to get me through with rinsing poop, but I've also used my grandmother's garden hose. Just depends on which way you gotta go. If you're going to be gone an extended period of time and you're not around family and friends that can help you out, you might want to check out some of the new innovations on the market, which include portable bidets. These are meant for travel and on the go, and that could be an awesome solution for your traveling needs. However, you could also unplug your diaper sprayer at home and use it. Just remember to do a final spray after you unplug it and pack it to get all the water that's remaining in the pipe. So the items to never forget are diapers, wet bag, and diaper sprayer. My next tip is to consider how you're traveling. Our crew hates long car rides, so anything over 3 hours and we are booking a flight. If we're flying, I do not like to travel with a dirty diapers and a wet bag. So I always create a plan to launder them while we're away. This is especially helpful if you're going to visit family or friends and you can use their washer and dryer. When we go to Tennessee for our Christmas getaways, my mom always helps me clean up and wash the kids' diapers, and she finds all the wire hangers in the back bedroom in my grandmother's closet, and she figures out how to hang all those diapers to air dry in my grandma's back bedroom. It's not the prettiest sight, but it gets the job done. Another option is to use the hotel washing machine to get your diapers fresh before you pack up. Now, this is a throwback to college days, but you can always use a common area laundromat to get your diapers right. If you look in most hotel closets, you also have hangers with trouser clips. These are a perfect impromptu drying rack. So all you have to do is wash your diapers, hang them overnight, and you'll be ready for your early morning flight. Similarly, my next point is to consider how long you'll be gone. If we're taking a weekend trip, I put less effort into creating a wash plan than if we are taking our week-long Christmas trip. Over a weekend, I'm comfortable with our dirty diapers staying in a wet bag until we return home. But if you have a particularly drippy situation, you may want to consider taking all of your wet bags. A solid wet bag shouldn't leak, but it's a good idea in these instances to double them to make sure that your dirty diapers don't wet up anything in your suitcase or any of your other belongings. Girlfriend, diapering should never come between you and a fabulous weekend. As I alluded to earlier, if we're taking a longer trip, I definitely put in the effort to create a wash plan so I know when I'm washing my diapers. If it's in the middle of the week or right before we leave, it just makes it easier to have a quick wash. It gives you peace of mind as you travel and roam about. And my fourth and final tip is to consider how you're packing. Traveling with 2 kids under 5 years old, our family is still able to get away with using only 2 suitcases. My husband and I share this big, extra large suitcase that definitely has to be checked, but my kids both are able to share a medium-sized suitcase, which is too big to be a carry-on, but definitely scaled down from the extra large one that my husband and I use. I try to be an efficient packer. When Marie Kondo came out a few years ago, I was all on top of that, and I have definitely implemented some of those processes and rolling techniques and packing for our luggage and travel. If you will, just imagine with me for a quick second. Usually what I do is I take our whole all-in-one collection and I fold those back so the wings are back, and I stick these into the suitcase actually upside down, so I have a nice clean line of the bottoms of our diapers all stacked up, usually in 2 columns. Then on the side of the diapers, what I usually do, and I'll use my son's pajamas for an example, I fold the clothes up in such a way, and I include everything that they need. So socks, hair bows, if that's what the outfit calls for. Now masks, I pack the masks, and I simply roll them all up. Did I drop something? Y'all get the point. I roll them all up into a pretty tight bundle, and I pack them on side of our diapers. I find rolling my kids' clothes to be super easy. When I get to the destination, I already know exactly what I'm picking out. I pick out the pajama bundle, I pick out the clothing bundle for the day, and I don't have to think about what we're doing, what we're styling, how we're making the little girl pretty for the day. It's all thought out and planned and makes traveling so much easier for me. Guys, that wraps up my 4 tips on how to live your best life while traveling with a cloth diaper baby. Remember, don't forget the items that you absolutely cannot live without. Also, consider how you're traveling, consider how long you'll be gone, and don't forget about maximizing your packing. I'd love to hear from you guys. Tell me, are you itching? Are you ready to get out and travel a little bit with your family? If so, do you have travel plans? Where y'all going? Drop it below. I need some ideas. As we are all looking for more ways to switch up our quarantine scenery, I know you guys are itching to get out. So are we. However, make sure you mask up and stay safe in these streets, y'all, wherever you land. I hope you found these tips helpful to get you to your destination. Traveling is all about enjoying the small moments and not worrying about how to cloth diaper your baby while you're gone. You got that part, mama. You know how to handle this. As always, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up and head over to clothcuties.com where there's more information to help you simplify your cloth diapering experience. See y'all later. Bye.